In this tutorial, we'll talk about the eyedropper tool, color sampler tool, ruler tool, and node tool. Welcome to webtrickshome. Hey guys, welcome to webtrickshome. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about the eyedropper tool, color sampler tool, ruler tool, and node tool. Let's get started. So this is the image I'm going to use for this tutorial. The eyedropper tool is placed right beneath the slice tool or the crop tool in Photoshop tools bar. Let's click on it and see what it offers. So the first option here is the sample size that defines the size of the sample being taken. Alright, the first one is a point sample, means the pixel sample. Then you have got 3x3 average, 5x5 average, 11x11, 31x31, 51 and 101 average size. So this defines the area Photoshop takes to sample the color we want to use. Click on any area and you can see the color is copied here on the foreground color swatch. Alright, if you take a bigger sample, let's say 101 by 101 average, you click on any area and you can see the color is picked, but the exact color won't appear over here, but the average color value from the area from the point where you have clicked to the 101 pixel diameter will be taken. Alright, for better performance, it's always better to use point sample. Alright, with the eyedropper tool, you can not only take the color samples from the document itself, you can simply minimize the document, click on any area within the document, and then drag your mouse outside the document, and you can see on the foreground color swatch, the colors are being changed every time the eyedropper gets to a different color. Alright, the next option is sample all layers option. If you have multiple layers, you can select from which layer you want to take the color sample. The current layer will be the active layer. Current and below means active layer and the layer below it, and you have got the option for all layers without any adjustments, and current and below layer without any adjustments. And behind that you have got the show sample ring that displays the ring while taking the color sample, and if you check it off, the ring won't appear on your document window. Alright, then you have got the color sampler tool, and this is basically another eyedropper tool that allows you to store multiple color samples. Once you click on the document window, you can see the color sample number 1 displayed over here with the red, green, and blue channel values being displayed. Let's click on another area, and that will be number 2. You can click it and drag it as well, number 3 and number 4. And the problem with this tool is it only allows 4 colors to be stored at a time, so you can't store more than 4 colors. And if you need to use these colors, again you can click on the foreground color swatch and fill up the values red, green, and blue and the RGB fields over here. Let's say I'll add the 4th number here, 177, 123, 113, and this will be the color. Alright, and you can clear the color samples from this button over here. So this way you can use color sampler tool. Then you have got the ruler tool, and as in ruler dots, it can be used to measure the distance between objects within the document. Simply select the ruler tool and click on any area you want to take the measurement. Alright, and you can see here the starting coordinates of the ruler, x-axis and y-axis starts from 658 and 288 pixels over here, and the width is 520 pixels. Since this is slightly inclined, you can see the height 2 pixel over here and the angle minus 0.2 degree, and the length displayed here as well, 522. And you can click over here on your ruler. If you don't see the ruler, you can click on view rulers. Alright, you can click on the ruler and change the measurement units from here. Right now this is pixels. You can use inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, pickers, and percentage. So points and pickers are quite close to the pixel value. Let's use inches for the sake of this tutorial. So you can see the inches over here on the rulers, and you can see the difference once you drag a line over here. So you can see 0.972 inches, the XY coordinate, the height, and the angle. You can clear the ruler using the clear button over here. And just like the crop tool, this ruler also allows you to straighten the layer. Let's say I want this car to be the horizontal baseline for this document. I can drag a line right beneath the car and click on straighten layer, and you can see this is the baseline I've created. If you check it with the marquee tool, you can see the baseline is straight over here, though the image is tilted as of now. Let's get it back to normal. Then the final tool on this option is the node tool, and that allows you to add sticky notes to your documents so that you can pass comments or remarks within your group when working as a team. Alright, you can define the name over here, then the color of the note if you want it to be different. Alright, and then the notes will be displayed over here. Let's try it out. Click on any area, let's say remark 1. Click on any other area, let's say remark 2. Alright, so whenever the team member opens this document, you will see the note over here. Double click on it and you can see the note over here. You can move between the notes from this navigation at the bottom of this notes component, whereas you can also double click on the note itself, have a look, and delete the notes from here as well. Alright, well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.